Benefits of grounding on the grass and how to ground. First of all, you need to lie down on the grass. Kundalini awakening and grounding on the grass. Why grounding on the grass is important? Because grounding on the grass connects you to the earth element, and also earth has the potential to absorb all the extra electrons from your body that happens due to inflammation in the body. Now, you can ground in the grass, just lie down and look at the sky above. Look at the eagles, crows, or anything, any birds flying, the parrots there, and allow yourself to feel nothing. Just drop your body on the ground, and if you have flowers, you can smell the flower around and just do nothing. Spread your arms, spread your legs, drop, shake your legs, drop it completely, and you don't need to worry about anything. Just close your eyes and put one hand on your belly. If you have both the hands free, then put both the hands on your belly and allow yourself to breathe. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And when you do this for 30 minutes continuously on the ground with this ambience, with this energy, where your feet are on the ground for 30 minutes continuously, all your extra energy in the body will be absorbed by the earth, and all the inflammation in your body will go away, which creates all the disturbances in your nervous system and the problems connected to neurosis and brain related issues like schizophrenia, Alzheimer, then dementia, mental health issues, psychic problems, bipolar, attention deficit syndrome, diabetes, and other related issues. So, you need to understand that nobody will give you the force, or nobody can take you to the place of grounding. In the matrix, everything and every possibility is available in the world. In the matrix, everything is available there. So nobody has the time and energy to take you to the state where you can appreciate the raw earth in its natural form. So you can simply touch the earth with both your hands, touch your ground with your feet, and allow yourself naturally to be with yourself, doing nothing. Drop all your tension in the body, drop all the hold in the body. Try to be nothing and nobody. Your nervous system takes you into freeze mode in the Kundalini awakening journey because the resistance of the ego is the highest. The ego is formed from all the beliefs, all the conditioning, all the lower energies of vikaras, vasanas, desires, tendencies, beliefs, conditioning, religious practices, and everything that you have collected, the information, the reading of scriptures, and so many things. And you keep yourself caged in that. When you are caged, you cannot be free. Your mind keeps you in cage. Your mind keeps you in the matrix. You're always confused. You're always disconnected from life. Grounding on earth connects you to life. Just lying down on the ground itself is grounding because You drop your ego of being anyone. I am no one. I am not the guru. I am not anyone. I am not Sanju. I am not anyone. I am not identified with anything. I am just energy, pure energy, and I am experiencing the best of the best life right now by being grounded like this. I don't need anyone's confirmation. I don't seek anyone's approval. I don't seek anyone's, I don't do anything to please anyone. That is why I'm free. I'm extremely free. I'm extremely powerful because I don't take anything and anyone seriously. You too can live this life if you commit to yourself to become no one and live the best life where you don't need to become anyone. Keep grounding, keep experiencing life, and just allow yourself the freedom to be in nature, doing nothing, being nothing, and just live the most simplest life right here, right now. Bye bye and take care. Breathe. If you can breathe like this simply, you are free. And if you cannot, then you need to suffer more. You have much time to waste. You don't value your life. You don't love yourself. If you love yourself, you will go out today itself and do this activity. But if you have more suffering left, then you will remain enclosed in your cage and do nothing.